Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, while I'm editing my other video that was supposed to go up today, I thought I would let you guys know that Echo Park is having a summer warehouse sale. So it's free shipping over $50 within the contiguous US only. Orders are to begin shipping on August 2nd. Sometimes it's before that, sometimes it's after that. All right, so let's see what they have. Collection kits are $7.50 each, 4 for $28, or 10 of them that you could get for $65. I briefly looked through this yesterday, and because when it started, but I didn't get a chance to film yet. It looks like they had a good amount of summer collections, so I'm only seeing like a couple right now. Okay, there's second. All right, there's some. Endless Summer, Here Comes the Sun. There was the one up here, Sun Kiss. Like that one looks like, oh, I'm not even showing you guys. That one looks like a cute one right there. Get ready for fall, you guys. Fall is just right around the corner. Get your fall paper, your Halloween paper, like go and get it. Disney papers. They've got baby papers as always. I did notice they have the Our Baby Boy, the full collection this time. Summer Market, my favorite summer, Pool Party, Bon Voyage, Sea Life by the Sea. Like there's so many summer collections and it's so cute. And like a lot of these kid collections, Little Explorer is a really cute one. So they have 3 pages of this. I'm sure you could find 10 collection kits that you guys like to get the discount at $65 instead of $7.50 each. But I mean, it's totally up to you. Even $7.50 is a pretty good price, especially since Tuesday morning doesn't exist anymore. And you don't just find those prices just like on regular websites. But look, they have the Dynamite, guys. I posted this because I got it, and then you guys said you liked it, so I'm letting you guys know they have the Dynamite collection, the 12x12. I think I also saw a 6x6, but we'll get there. And look, there's some more awesome fall collections, so for gratitude journals or whatnot coming up since that season. Lots of Halloween ones like spooky. You could even do Witches and Wizards for Halloween. They had the other one, Halloween one, on the other page. So yeah, there's definitely fall options here as well. So stock up, you guys, while they have some stuff. They got bundle deals, but I don't think the bundle deals are the best. But they do have like Winnie the Pooh for $40, like a mega bundle. Let's Take the Trip. Those are newer collections, so you can look through that. 6x6 paper pads are $3.50 each. Oh my gosh, normally if you buy like 3, it's like 10 bucks, I think. They're not doing that, or at least it doesn't say that they're doing that this time. But they do have the Our Baby for all 3, the neutral, the boy, and the girl. They've got Valentine's Day one, fall one. They got Disney, St. Patrick's Day. What else we got here? They got the Dynamite 6x6. See, super cute. And I think I also saw the Dynamite stickers on the sticker section when we get there. And they've got Christmas, you guys. So get ready. Get yourself some stuff. Ephemera, $2 each, or 10 for $15. Like if you guys don't have any stuff, get it. Get it. Like if you guys know the season's coming up and you don't have stuff for that season, get it, you guys. They have a lot of ephemera that goes with a lot of the collections that they have for sale, so definitely look through that as well. Decorative brads are $3 each, or 5 for $10. So this is the brads with the stickers. So again, look through, see what they have if you need to get some for your collections. Chipboard are $2 each. So they got some wedding ones here. I don't think I saw wedding paper, but if you have that in your stash, like, and you need some chipboard. Albums is probably only Christmas. Yep, because it usually is. Mega pads, $5 each, or 3 for $12. So the mega pads have a deal on them, but they don't have a lot. This is all. But they do have the baby ones if you guys need to make some baby albums. Enamel dots, I think those are $2. $3. Okay, not $2, $3. I will not be getting any of those. I'll make my own. They have some regular cardstock. This is just solid paper cardstock, so you can get for 69 cents each. Puffy stickers. These are $3 each. What else? Photo sleeves, which those are the things that go in the albums. They have 12 by 12 and they also have 6 by 8 size ones. So you just have to be careful and like look through which ones and which sizes you want to get. They have sticker books. If they have any Christmas, I highly recommend getting some. Sticker books is what I use, especially Christmas. I do use a couple of fall, but mostly Christmas. And when you click on these, like you could click, for example, Wonderful Christmas, and then you could see what stickers it has on the back of it. So you could see if you would actually end up like using most of them or whatnot. And like this one, I would probably end up using the first 4, this sheet also, probably not this sheet, and probably not the last sheet, but there's a good amount of sheets that I would probably end up using from there. Sticker sheets, $2 each, or you could get 10 of them for $15, which comes out to what, $1.50 each. So they have summer, Christmas, fall, all the things, you guys. Winter. I think is there a baby in here? Little Dreamer, that's like a baby themed one. Farm to Table. Oh, they have a lot of pages of this. There are 4 pages, you guys, of that. So you guys could go through that and see what they got. Solid kits. So these are collections that go with, like solids that go with collections. And these are $3 each. That's a fantabulous price for you guys to get some solids that coordinate with a collection that you might already have. And then they have a stateside kit on here, which is literally just a bunch of states. That's 20 bucks. I think it's a sheet for every single state. That's what I think it is. But anyway, yeah. So just wanted to let you guys know about the Echo Park warehouse sale in case you guys needed to stock up on some of your favorite goodies or get a head start on some things that you maybe have had your eye on. Oh, there's also a new collection alert. Shop Sunny Days. Oh, this is their new summer collection. I haven't even seen it yet, but I like the watermelon paper in there, but everything else is in the strawberry paper, but everything else might be a little bit too colorful for me. But it's cool to always see what new collections they got coming. All right, so that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.